bites from those people. They are boycotting the elections. You have to take the bites from them.
Wait, ma'am. कितें जालें आयज इलेक्शन आसलेलें कोमनीदादचे
पैसे खूप दिले बॅग भरून आणि तुम्ही सगळे खाल्लात
So sad.
दोन करा कुणाला तुम्ही
See, man, I'm bonkers. So sad.
The elections were a joke.
But a joke. Yeah, please tell.
The counting was incorrectly done. The standing members also were disqualified without giving a reason. All the members, the police also are involved. It's a total fraud.
They have
Sir, I would like to say something about the ID cards. There are freshly printed ID cards on plain paper and with a photograph pasted on the this plain paper ID card. Okay, we have got these kinds of ID card. I will show you. Okay, these are the valid ID cards. Here, these are the laminated ID cards. Okay, such ID cards are required, and if it is lost as per the election process wherever, you have to bring a valid reason. You have to bring a police complaint or whatever. Okay, now plain paper printed ID cards, plain paper printed ID cards with photographs pasted on that, which is hiding the number, the ID number. Such kind of IDs have been allowed by the presiding officer, despite objections. The presiding officer is not ready to listen to the objections. Okay, he doesn't have any valid reason why he has allowed this kind of IDs. They are all fraud IDs.
So the election has been boycotted now?
Yeah, we have boycotted the election.
Most of the people have not shown the IDs.
They have not shown the IDs. The IDs have not been checked against the numbers, against the list. Okay, the list doesn't have photographs.
And they have not taken the ID card number.
Yeah, ID card numbers.
On purpose.
On
Because
purpose.
they can enter the whole bloody world here.
वॉकआउट केला आम्ही फालतू लोक जाला जे हांगासर डुप्लिकेट आयडी घेवन लोकांक हाडलेले आसा आनी आमचे जे गांवकार जे आसा पळय तांकां घेवंकूच ना भितर आनी तांकां सांगलां की दे आर आउटकास्ट पीपल म्हणून सो व्हडले लोक हे आतां आमचे कम्युनिटीचे लोक भूल करूंक सोदता तांचो एकूच एम आसा की 1 रुपयान जो इकला पळय जागो तो आख्खो 23 जागो इकपाक सोदता दिसता हांगासर ते एंट्री करताले सगल्यांचे हांवें जेन्ना वचून विचारले पळय एंट्री करताले ते म्हाका प्रिजायडींग ऑफिसर सांगूंक लागलो आमी एंट्री करतात आनी सगळे नांवां बरयतात थिंगासर एटॉर्नी आसलो उबो तो सांगता आपूण न्ही मनशाक आयडेंटिफाय करून ताका भितर धाडटा हांवें सर आयडी कार्ड पळयना रे आयडी कार्डाची गरज ना म्हणपाक लागलो म्हाका तो हांवें सर कित्याक ना प्रिजायडींग ऑफिसर सांगता आपूण ईच एंड एवरी वोटराक आपूण वपयता म्हणून आनी तेंच्यांनी आयडी कार्ड पळोवंक ना कोणाचेच हांवें वचून थिंगासर पळयलें एक आयडी हांवें अशी पळयली जे फोटवाचेरूच तेजो नंबर आसा आनी हे आनी झेरॉक्स मारून हाडला दीस इज अ फेक आनी ताका विचारलें कितें केलें सो ऑल द आयडीज तेंच्यांनी आहा पळय फेक आयडीज करून दिल्ले आसा आयजूच दुसरें म्हणल्यार आतां पळय आतां इलेक्शन जाल्लें आमची जे कम्युनिटी आसा पळय ही सारकी आउटडेटेड जाल्ली कशी आहा ते आजुनूय थिंगासर लोकांक मिस जाता आनी मिस जाल्यार आमचो पळय तो इस्किरांव आसा पळय तो 40 नंबर जालो जाल्यार ऑटोमॅटिकली 45 46 करता आनी 49 70 61 62 अशें करता म्हणजे ताका कावंटिंगूय जायना कशें दिसता आनी आतां आमची मेजॉरिटी भितर आसली पूण आमकां थिंगासर तेंच्यांनी सांगलें की वी डोंट हॅव अ मेजॉरिटी आनी तुमचें कावंट आमचें कावंट तेंच्यांनी 200 कितें सांगलें पूण तेंचो कावंट लेस आसलो पूण थिंगा म्हणपाक लागले आमचे थोडे लोकांक मेजूंक ना आमी सो इट इज एन इनजस्टीस डन टू अस सो वी हॅव जस्ट वॉक्ड आउट बिकॉज देर इज नो जस्टीस सर्वड बाय दीस पीपल and their aim is to sell our lands for only 1 rupee for 4 paise for per square meter आणि आमचे जे गांवकार आसा पळय खानापुरच्यान बाबतींत चलोन येयला विदावट एनीथींग आनी तांकां तेंच्यांनी पासून डिप्रायव केल्ले आसा पळय
सो आतां इलेक्शन
लोक
कितें
आमच्या
केलें
वांगडा आसा डुप्लिकेट लोक ते आनी इवन यूपीचे लोक थोडे यूपीचे भैया जे आसात पळय भितर पडलेले आहा हांवें जेन्ना विचारलें एटॉर्नीक बाबा यूपीचे भैया तुजे भितर कशे आहा रे न्हू दे आर ऑल गांवकार्स यूपी वचून रावला आसतले म्हणटात ते सो दीस इज इट सो यूपीचे लोक हांगासर थिवीच्या कम्युनिटीन गांवकार जाले and they are all Hindus. As per आमचो law book आसा पळय none of the Hindu people are गांवकार only Catholics are गांवकार in थिवी कम्युनिटी पूण हांगासर दोग जाण कोण यूपीचे आसले
So what action will be taken on them?
Action म्हणजे we will have to go to the court and at least ask for the justice from the court because these people are not even interested in serving us justice.
सो द आयची इलेक्शन आहा ती बॉयकॉट केल्ली आहा
आजचे इलेक्शन आसा that in spite of we CV companies are having a majority of the people and we were in majority and our candidates were also there, but these people have made misuse of their powers and they have not counted us properly and they have told us that we are short or something like that. I don't know what. In spite of we counting them, we gave them a different figure. The Iskira gave a different figure. My name is Godfrey Didima and I am a TV Gaonkar.
I'm feeling rejected. I'm feeling rejected and dejected. Okay, as a Gaonkar from TV, I have come all the way from Panjim, okay, to fight for our properties here in TV. But to see how this is being conducted, it's a big shame. We're talking about democracy, this and that, but this is a very sad story. The way they brought the people inside, without checking the IDs. We are Gaonkars there, but we can see I cannot even identify anybody being Gaonkars and not being checked. So what is the use of this counting hands and this is stupid way of. So we are not going to agree to this. So this is to be.
In spite of we having majority.
Yes, this is to be taken to the court. This is the only way. There is no other way. We are not going to agree to this at all. They are clapping and whatnot over there. But sorry.
But the election is still going on there.
I think so. With only themselves.
Hardly how many people have been walked
we are
out?
here. Forget about other people. The people who have come there are without checking the ID is nothing. So it has to be done properly. Okay, properly with the Gaonkars, only Gaonkars. With a matricular book. Yes, with a matricular book. Yes. Not election.
Was there any matricular book over there for a
Not there
clarification?
at all. Not checked.
Not checked.
So Gaonkars' names are all in that book, but it is not being verified and checked. So I'm very sad. I'm going home in this way.
Even some of our Gaonkars, they are rejected that.
My name is John. My name is John
are
Pereira.
deleted from that.
Unfortunately, we all Pereiras.
And they are said that you all are outcast. So I don't know what language these people are using. They are using outcast word for our Gaonkars.
सर matricular book नसताना तुम्ही भितर इलेक्शन चालू तरी कशें केले?
Yeah, actually करून.
No.
Verification ते matricular book.
Verification, matricular book असा थिंगासर हांवें सांगलें काय we will verify and we will tick mark. Presiding officer सांगता that is not your duty, it is our duty to check and we are not going to tick it mark.
हे अशें हेज्या पयलीं केन्ना जाल्लें?
केन्ना करूंक ना अशें. हेजे पयलीं कितें आसलें प्रिसायडिंग ऑफिसर आहा पळय तो टिक करता कोण येयलो येवना. हांगासर तेंच्यांनी कोणाकूच एंट्री करूंक ना.